just listen. It's a teaser, by the way. It's a teaser. I hope you understand the teaser. Yabona once wabheka nje i-vocal isiXhosa nakanjani dana mqaphela umculo wakhe ba yayithinya nje lanto from phesheya inkomo. Yabona nje izingoma zakhe zijonge nje bu-private ipiano lakhe nje. I think i-private school eyiva now.
Nina lobixesha ndigijimisa wena ndiyakuthanda kanti ngivalike winkalakatha uyangichaza ntwana yakha ngiyancama ngifuna ukukutha
Ngingaphinda loo ndawo khawu ndinike. I think ndiyayithanda loo ndawo.
uze uthi uyababona kodwa uthanda mina ngedwa uze uthi uyababona kodwa uthanda mina ngedwa uze uthi uyababona kodwa uthanda mina ngedwa.
Yabona le ngoma it's already a hit kwicala private school piano. Yabona rate ko Kelvin Mom. I think close to Kelvin Mom. I think uyimnandi kodwa ndawo serious. Hayi asike siphinde. Khawuthi piano ayikho rough, just soft like cool. It's hot.
uze uthi uyababona kodwa uthanda mina ngedwa uze uthi uyababona kodwa uthanda mina ngedwa uze uthi uyababona kodwa uthanda mina ngedwa.
Make sure you check all my videos and do the right thing. We back. We already. We here. We are here. Is our. You already know. See you next.